Good morning, good day. I'm now in my summer house in my villa. Now it's this September 2029 and it's very warm weather. It's I think last warm days. 22 degrees today. Yesterday was 25 degrees. Summer, really like summer. It's autumn, but the weather is very summery and I like when in our climate zone or weather became much warmer and warmer, and winters are more softer, and autumns are like spring, like very warm. So today I'm just resting from my work, from my art, and I really enjoy time here, absolutely alone. So I very like the sun rays, and not everybody who likes spend time in nature understand what a serenity it is to just be with. Oh, that little bird just came. Yeah, so those little moments, maybe I can show you. It's very quickly. Anyway, that bird, little tiny bird, it fly away so fast from one branch to another branch, and with camera it's like I can't do this. It's very difficult to catch those birds in film. Actually, I was planning for this for my YouTube channel, made videos. I also very enjoying making videos, but I want to I want to film something really amazing and interesting. For example, I was planning to film birds, different kind of birds, but it's not easy. You never know when they will land in my garden. You never know when they will land. When I was talking with you, just bird just near, like 5 meters from me, was jumping from on a tree, like din, 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 I'm looking for these insects, and you can just, it's very difficult to grab camera and catch, because if they see you moving, they just fly away. And yesterday I have it. I filmed the square. I have there across that street. It's like forest here, and the square was jumping on apple tree and taking apples, eating apples, and my camera was just in my table, and I quickly take and try to film. I will show you, will see it later in this video. So it was amazing to see these animals. And I would like to really make like 10 minutes video with these animals, but they don't last so long. They're like 1 minute, quickly grab some. When they see me, they just run away. And I wish universe, I wish that animals and birds don't afraid from me. But unfortunately, birds and animals, they're afraid from humans. But I do my best to be friends with them, and they don't scare from me. Just let me film you. You will see in this video also I film very beautiful dragonfly. With that dragonfly, it's allowed me to film them. I was very close to them, because dragonflies also, they fly also very quickly. When they come too close to them, they also quickly change the branch when they sit, and so it's also difficult. But the insects are more easy, but animals on board, they're very picky. They see human, like immediately fly away. tulip name is flamingo frog. No, yeah, frog. Wait, what? Why frog? Why you say frog? These are double touch, like this. Actually, the tulips, they all look the same, just different names. And I pick colors like purple with white, red like with inside like rose with many leaves. So this one. So this is Allium. They white color and purple color. So I prefer purple colors. So when Allium is dry, this one usually is with purple flowers like ball, very beautiful. But when they dry, it looks very good composition. For example, here I have this pot, and I just put them here to decorate my veranda, my ugly veranda. Okay, it's not ugly, just no, make it more decorative. To blah 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 blah. Yeah, so I use this pot. For this pot, I decided to in this pot decorate my veranda, and it's look much pretty because I need make, I need to renovate actually my veranda. But no, I decide to for the moment decorate with something that looks more pretty. So, and I will show you. So these alliums are different species and different sizes. This one is like this small. It's very nice. It's actually very nice when it's like making dry flower compositions. It's look, you know, actually I always say interesting. In life, it's maybe not look so. It's look pretty, but in camera, and I watch in camera, in video, it's look more pretty than in life. It's amazing. I hope you're enjoying. So just imagine, just twist it. Amazing. Nature are amazing. So okay, others are bigger. Actually, those who are gardeners want to start making their own garden. I recommend buy Allium. Just if you see Allium flowers, they actually come in I forgot how is in English this word, in these little balls like this. They come like they are round, and you just put in a soil. So they have the same like like tulips. You can plant them in autumn with tulips. Oh. So you can compare this size and this, yeah, different species. And another, what I discovered last year, I buy from one woman in market. She's selecting alliums, and here alliums she select very big ones. Imagine this one. It's bigger than my head, I think. Oh my god, it's like this big pile. Compare the biggest what I have before and this one. It's amazing. This is first year. It's maybe not so no full of little flowers, but maybe next year it will be more much fluffy and full of these little needles, like amazing. With this one, when I saw it, hers was very good quality because no, it's old seedling, but this one, imagine, it's big. We'll see how it will look like next year. Maybe it will be more full and bigger, but this one, when I saw it, it cost like €5 one this seed, big seed. And look at this, but it's worth of it. €5, it's even €6. It's worth of it. Buy it, three pieces, 5 pieces. Buy it, and you will see next year, and then again next year it will be bigger. And it actually maximum, it is their maximum size, maybe 1 centimeter, 2 more. But this is hers. What she showed me, it was really huge. I think this is just a baby, but it will be. I hope it will be bigger. So it's worth of it. absolutely worth of it to buy this kind of exclusive allium. And you can make really composition, yeah, like this. And I also put here these lights. I charge like these ones. This is like uh, the lamps you charge in the sun, the solar lamps. And then in the evening I put it here, and they have a light, and it's very interesting how this light catch these shadows, and a light is under them. Very beautiful look in the evening. You see, put some candles here, look very cozy. These are decors. You put here candle inside, and here also candle. This actually are flower pot, but I put here this glass for candle. It's a candlestick, and I just hang here, and I put little inside little candles, and in the evening it looks very nice. If there is a wind, then of course they blowing this fire away, but when it's no windy, it's very nice. It's look really this is blue glass, and through this blue glass this light from candle really looks nice in a dark. So another what I have on, so I have here also, I put light here, and also very nice. So I don't like use electricity. First of all, electricity this year and these days now very expensive. I don't know in your country, but very expensive. They like charge like, I don't know, to making tea it's like €2. Well, okay, not €2, but no, I'm joking, yeah, but it's almost like making tea in a pot for everyone, like €2. Yeah, no, it's crazy the prices for electricity. What is that? So this one is not so a lot light. It's just a bit light, more like decorative. But if you want a really very bright light for the veranda, then you can see something. That this one, these balls, big balls, it's from glass. It's all glass, and they are more powerful. These ones, small ones, are not so powerful, and they have yellow light and white. So white light are more bright. So, but I use both for decorative when I need to, just in places to feel cozy. Not near the flowers, near some bushes. But these ones are really if you wanna put light in these places when you want to bit see where you go, and or sit in veranda and really, I don't say read, but actually you can read also with these. So they are very bright, very good. And but one minus is I usually don't buy solar lamps with batteries. So where's the point to charge these batteries with electricity, using again electricity, or buying batteries all the time? So these ones has no battery. Always when you buy, check if it is battery charge or there is no battery. Just you charge with sun, nothing else. But for this one, I didn't know. When I buy it, I think it's just it's like this inside. So sun take energy from here, from sun, and it's get here. But then I discovered, then I actually need to put, there is a battery inside, and I need to buy battery if you want to make work this. I have 4 of them, so I didn't know that. I just think that it is just sunlight and that's all, but not. But they are very good, very good. Another I like, it look like Allium actually. This is also solar lamp, and I ordered this in AliExpress, and it's worth of it. And they have different colors. One is like white light, yellow white light, and multicolor light. That one who has white light, it's very bright. It depends, the more you charge, the brighter light. I really even can read book from this light. I just not by single. You just have candles. It's have light here, candles, and it's like here in my pot, approximately from this distance, and it's like hanging here, and I can lights coming down, and I can read book. It's like not super bright like a daytime, but I really normally can read book, and it's very nice. This for your veranda also very nice. Of course, for garden it's makes so decorative, and I have 6 of them. 2 with white light, and no, 3 with white light. No, I have 4 with white light, and 2 with multicolor. And my neighbors, once I put these like everywhere in my garden on these small solar lamps, and my neighbor made comment that, oh, aliens landed. Aliens. It's actually I once go from the distance, look how my garden look with. It's like really look like, oh my god, so much solar lamps, like too much maybe. It's look like Christmas. My garden looked like Christmas tree. But what can I do when it's autumn, and when you're alone here and it's very super dark? I really put a lot of lights, and I feel more safe. And I don't say that I'm very scared to stay alone, but you know, I feel uncomfortable when my garden is in darkness, everything is darkness, because we don't have lights here. I live near forest where it's completely dark, nothing, and stars. It's beautiful, but sometimes I need this cozy feeling. I need in garden put these solar lamps everywhere. So I think it's time for me to plant tulips, and see you later. When I try to maybe today catch some bird, some squirrel maybe today. Maybe if she will come back, I don't know. We'll see. She actually there across the street is that apple tree. It's like from me maybe 10 meters, 20 meters from me. So if she come here again, it was yesterday 2 o'clock in the daytime she came. So it soon will be also 2 o'clock. Maybe I will catch her again and try to film more closer, and so okay, see you later, maybe we'll see.